Welcome to this brief instructional video on how to make an IRS estimated tax payment. First things first, go to your web browser and enter irs.gov into your address bar and hit enter. You should come to a screen that looks like this. Then you're going to want to click on the Make a Payment button. Now your screen should closely resemble this. So what you're going to want to do is in the Pay Your Taxes Now box, click on the blue button that says Bank Account Direct Pay. We circled it in blue here on the diagram for you. You want to click that blue button. And now your screen will resemble this. And you want to click this blue Make a Payment button. Now you come to this screen, and then on the three drop downs that you have here, 1, 2, and 3, that we've numbered for you, you want to choose the following responses. For the first one, reason for payment, you want to choose estimated tax from the drop down. For the second one, apply payment to, you want to choose 1040 ES. For 1040, 1040A, 1040 EZ. And for the tax period for payment, you want to choose the current year, which in this case would be 2021. Now, after you've made those selections, click Continue. Now you may get a pop-up asking you to confirm your choice of making an estimated tax payment. If you do, click the blue Continue button on that pop-up and you can proceed. Your screen will now look like the one below, Verify Identity. And at this screen, you're going to choose a year from Tax Year for Verification, drop-down menu, and fill in the information from your tax return you filed, the year that you chose from the drop-down menu. For example, if you chose from the drop-down menu 2019, you would fill in all the answers with the information from your 2019 tax return. So you verify identity. This is where you will choose the tax year for verification from this drop-down. And then each of these pieces of information must match the return you filed in the year that you chose. So your status, your first and last name, your social, date of birth, country of residence, your address, all of that must match the year that you chose in that very first drop down. Then you want to click the checkbox, then hit Continue after you're finished entering in the correct information. Go ahead and punch that blue Continue button. And now you should come to this screen for your payment information. You can see in the first blank it is entering the payment amount that you then confirm. Then you enter in a payment date. We said here you enter your amount, you confirm the payment, and you select a payment date. Now on that screen there may be a Continue button here, or the page may go on to ask for your bank account information. If there's a Continue button, click on it. And then now, either on the same page or after you click Continue, you'll come to the bank account information screen. You want to enter your bank routing number and bank account number, and then confirm your bank account number in the blanks provided. Also, you need to choose what type of account that it is, checking or savings. And there is a helpful diagram of a check to show where to find your routing and account number. So you enter in your routing, account number, confirm your account number, and choose whether it is a checking or savings account. And you can see here on your checks that first number is going to be the routing number, and then next to it is going to be the account number. So then you're going to want to click continue, or the page may go on to ask for an email address. So you'll come to this email confirmation notifications. Check the box to receive those confirmation notifications. Enter your email address in the first blank. Confirm it in the second. And then now there should be a button that says submit or something similar like done or finished. Go ahead and punch that to submit your payment, and you have successfully submitted your estimated tax payment to the IRS, and you should receive some form of an email confirmation because you, on that very last step, filled in your email address. And that's all there is to it, and we will see you next time.